OSGPA circuit for many years. All right, now I talked to the pit crew of the pulling for the Cure truck, and I said, man, you got to go down outside and cool down and get diesel. He said, no, we're going to the sled. That track ain't going to get no better than it is right now. We want that sled. All right, here we go now. The Ohio-based pulling to work vehicle.